We've been in business for roughly 30 years in this manner. Prior to that, it was family run business. The Goulburn Valley has a lot of attributes. One, the weather. We have our climate here is perfect for growing a good field tomato, ground tomato. It has cool nights, so you get nice firm fruit. It doesn't ripen too quickly. There's hardly any humidity around our season, so we're getting a nice slow maturity, and that's what's giving us good flavours. The different types of cartons we have that serves different markets depending on which markets we're going to, whether it's Queensland, South Australia, Tassie, Victoria and Sydney, or New South, sorry. We pick everything that's matured on the vine as we go through, and then the colour grades end up, so obviously the semi-colour fruit will travel a lot further than the coloured fruit and the three-quarter coloured fruit.
This is the second season we've had the JTech and Sinclair system up and going. Yeah, the machinery from JTech Systems is as good as I've seen around. That's why we chose to go with them, obviously. I haven't had any issues, and if there is any small issues, the guys are here as quickly as possible. We've got a couple of techs around the area. We'll come out before we start up and go through everything, do all the maintenance before we start, and then they'll come through periodically and check the machine, and when we finish they give it a bit of a clean up and a run down, and that way we have no issues later on. The guys have trained us very well, given me plenty of knowledge to run the machine. It's quite simple once they show us how to get it up and going. Sinclair do a very good job of the labels. I haven't had any issues so far. We've used a fair few labels, so I can't say a bad word. The labelling of the fruit has not slowed any of the process down. It's just another part of the job. It sort of fit into what we were doing. It's more of a sort of plug and play type situation. It only took a couple of hours to get it installed, and the guys at JTech come that morning, and by the afternoon it was all ready to go.